just let us come here. Nuwat Thai Kalinga, we are open tomorrow. We are have to be open at every day, no? Every day we just accept the clients, walk-in and reservations at Nuwat Thai Kalinga, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So guys, let's come. Feel the relaxations of our spa at Nuwat Thai Kalinga. So guys, we have also available the nails, pedicure and manicure. So come here guys. Let us say and show you the massage area of us here at Nuwat Thai Kalinga. Guys, this is our foot wash area. Very big spaces for the 2 persons, no? And here also our traditional body area. And also here, our modern body area massage. And this is guys our foot area massage. So guys, come here and visit and feel the relaxations of our massage at Nuwat Thai Kalinga guys. And we are open for walk-in and reservations. So guys, if you feel have to be pamper yourself, visit us located at the 2nd floor of Kaliangan building. And please feel the relaxations of our traditional massage. Thank you and please share this video. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you.